Hi y'all, this is Linda from Terry Ogle's Adventure Channel. Just going to do a little Portland, Tennessee crock pot in here. We're going to do some white chili chicken. I'm going to start with some chili or some of my chicken there and some bacon. Just all ready there for you to get and go. I'm going to add some delicious white corn with a little golden white. You can do it with just plain white if you'd like. I'm kind of doing a double batch here. So I'm just going to add this in here. Hope you don't want to spill my crock pot. Actually, we're going to add some white beans. You know, the South's good for those white pinto beans, so they're just as well. This is good to fix and let it simmer all day long, or you can just heat it up and eat it, whichever one you prefer. And we're going to show you what it's going to look like here when we get all this in there. I'm adding some green chilies, a couple 4-ounce cans as well. I'll spice it up with a little bit of chopped up onions. Probably about a cupful. I'm going to use some good old chicken broth. Chicken broth to go with that chicken. My assistant there, she's kind of about to bust a big one on me. Gonna add a little bit of oregano, just for some flavoring. A little bit of garlic. Some chili powder. Depends on how spicy you want it.
Mom, what are you making?
Got a little cumin there.
Mom, are you making a video?
Sorry about that. Got some couple cups of sour cream. I'm gonna mix this up just a little bit before I add my cheese to it. I'm gonna put some shredded cheese in there too to give it some real good seasoning flavor. It's good for a hot day. When you get done with it, it's good, really good with some crackers or some nice hot bread. Get some cheese. I'm going to put 2 8-ounce bags of mozzarella in it here. This is really good for those northern people that where the temperature gets 20 degrees and all that snow on the ground. Kind of lucky here, we don't get much snow. Alright, we're just going to let this simmer up and we'll be back and let y'all see how good it looks and tastes. Thanks. here we got some test tasters going to tell us how good it is. What you think, ladies?
I can't see.
White chicken chili,
Like chicken chili.
Tennessee style.
I like it.
On a scale of 1 to 5, what kind of number would you give it?
5.
What? 10. We got one that don't want to talk to us. All right, guys. If you'd like the recipe, you can like and subscribe to Terry Ogle Adventures, and we will send it to you. Thanks.
Please like and subscribe.
To my grandfather's channel.